Breaking news! General Torre and Carlo Nograles tandem daw as mayor and vice mayor ng Davao City this 2028. Anong masasabi niyo dito, guys?
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh! Gago!
Well, for me, kung si Sir Carlo lang, pwede naman. Deserve. Pero ikaw, Mr. Torre, as our mayor of Davao City,
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
I doubt you will be getting a single vote from us Davaoenos. Although, libre naman ang mangarap, General Torre. Pero isa lang ang masasabi ko sa'yo. After what you did to us Davaoenos, unang-una, kay Pastor Kibuloy, and of course, sinong makakalimot sa ginawa mo at ng amo mo sa pagkidnap ng aming presidenteng si Tatay Digong.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Sir, you will not be getting any vote from us, from Davao City, from Davaoenos. You will never be loved. Ikaw at ang amo mo. Kaya ito lang ang masasabi ko. You're not welcome. You don't deserve. Mahiya ka naman, Mr. Torre.